This modern three-story house, set on a 10-meter by 30-meter plot, harmonizes contemporary design with tropical elements. The facade features sleek gray concrete and dark wooden slats with expansive floor-to-ceiling windows. A central courtyard, lush with tropical plants, and a water feature serves as the heart of the home, enhancing natural light and ventilation. The ground floor includes an open-plan living area and a modular kitchen. Upstairs, the first floor hosts spacious bedrooms with private balconies, while the second floor is dedicated to a luxurious master suite and a home office. The facade of the house embodies a contemporary aesthetic, characterized by clean lines, minimalist details, and the use of natural materials. The front facade is designed with a harmonious combination of gray concrete surfaces and dark wooden slats. This combination not only adds a sleek and modern look, but also provides a warm and inviting feel. The courtyard is the heart of the house, providing a green and serene environment that enhances the quality of life for the residents. It is designed with lush tropical plants that create a natural oasis in the midst of the urban setting. The living room on the ground floor is designed as a spacious and inviting area that seamlessly connects to the central courtyard. The open-plan layout ensures a fluid transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the sense of openness and light. The bedrooms in this modern house are designed to be sanctuaries of comfort, privacy, and style, reflecting the overall architectural theme of blending contemporary design with tropical elements. Each bedroom is thoughtfully planned to maximize natural light and ventilation, with an emphasis on creating serene and restful spaces. rooms in this modern house are designed with a blend of functionality, luxury, and aesthetic appeal, aligning with the overall contemporary and tropical design ethos of the home. Each bathroom features modern fixtures and fittings, ensuring a spa-like experience for the residents. This modern house on a 10-meter by 30-meter plot is a perfect blend of contemporary design and tropical elements. The three-story structure with a central courtyard offers a unique living experience that emphasizes natural light, ventilation, and sustainability. The thoughtful design ensures that each space is functional, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing, providing a harmonious living environment for the residents.